Hello and welcome to the new part of this tutorial series. In this tutorial we are going to learn about spawning obstacles. Select the streamer image and turn the sprite mode to the multiple. And slice it automatically. And drag one of the image into the scene. I will just scale it down so that it will be looking quite nice in the game. So what's now is spawning the obstacles from right to left, just like in Trex game. For now I will just create a simple script called obstacle spawner. Create it and now open this. At first what I'm going to call is public game obstacle, the obstacle we just created in the scene, and I will give maximum and minimum coordinate of x so that I will create a spawn function. In this, random x will be random range from minimum x to maximum x. This means that the random x value will be changing between the max x and minimum x values. And then I will just instantiate the obstacle in the x-axis, and that's it. What I will do is to create a spawning time for these objects to appear on the game. For this what I need is a float variable called spawn time and times to spawn. In the update function, what I'm doing is creating a time counter for this spawn function to execute so that the obstacles will be appearing time after time. In this what I did is when the actual time of the gameplay is greater than the spawn time, the spawn function will work on that, and the obstacles will appear again and again. After saving this script, go back to the Unity editor. Now I will create a folder called prefab and drag the obstacle to it. You can use this prefab anywhere, anytime you want in this project. Now I will create an empty object and call this obstacle spawner and add the obstacle spawner script to it. I will give some values around it. You can play around these values. And now I can play this game. The obstacles are spawning quite nicely, but the problem is that the obstacles are not in the ground. So what I will do in this context, that is where we instantiated our obstacles, I will change the y-axis value in the vector tree You can get this y value from the position of the obstacle. You can see it in the inspector of the prefab we just created. Save the script and let me run this. Now you can see this is working quite fine. Now what I will do is create a destroy script so that these obstacles won't overload in this game, which is useful for the memory optimization of your devices. So let me just create it. What I will do in this destroy script is I will destroy this game object if it's alive in the scene for more than 2 seconds. For this, what I will do is write a simple method, that is destroy game object, and give a time frame of 2f, that is 2 seconds. Let me just save it and run this in the Unity editor. Now you can see that the obstacles are not running wild, and they are destroying in every 2 seconds. This helps in the memory optimization of your devices and doesn't overload the game on the devices. So that's it for this tutorial. Hope you like this.